Hindi nyo naiintindihan gaano ko kayong kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binasyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sa sobrang loob ko. May isang basyo nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me?
Sakit eh. Sakit ang buko.
I-check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 Vice Presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think